Thank you very much. This time we have a real treat in store for you. So I'm going to leave you in the very capable hands of the wonderful playing of Mr. John Sheehan, ladies and gentlemen.
Great.
Thought it'd be much better than that. Right, the first little piece I'd like to play is a little Stück, das habe ich selbst geschrieben. Thank you. And my daughter, Kjola, who also plays the fiddle, she joined us a few days ago just for the end of the tour, Vier Tage Urlaub in Deutschland. And Kjola's 16, and she's here tonight, and I asked her if she'd like to join me for this little tune, and I think she's going to come on now, so ich möchte meine Tochter vorstellen. Kjola. So here we go, Among Friends. Okay, Kjola.